Hi everyone, this is Scott. I hope you're doing alright. Today I'm going to sketch a Mars Buggy. You know, something for driving around on distant planets. My design is going to include a lot of spheres. At quick count, I can see at least 26 of them. Some of them are whole, like the characters' helmets. Some of them are squashed or stretched, like the body of the buggy. Some of them have bits trimmed off, like the headlights. And some of them are merged with other forms, like the rounded ear guards on the bunny's helmets. That's a lot of repeated forms. I'll start very rough and very sketchy. These drawings are for me, not my clients, not my teachers. I'll focus on my design now and worry about my presentation later. As I sketch, I'm looking for opportunities to add spheres. If you watch for it, you'll see me draw another form, like a cylinder or cone, then go back and replace it with a sphere. I think I do it at least a dozen times in this drawing. When things get too messy, or when it's time to refine my drawings, I start a new layer. If you're not working on a computer, you may want to use layers of tracing paper or a light box. This kind of repetition makes the design look consistent. It's not all spheres though. That would just look like a blob of soap bubbles. But having a repeated form makes everything fit together. Like most of my digital illustrations, this one uses a simple color scheme. The buggy's paint is red, so is the bunny's nose and the dog's tongue. Everything else is orange. I just add black and white to change the saturation and value. Using the same form over and over again also makes the rendering easier. If you know how to render a sphere, you know how to render most of the forms in this illustration. One more thing as I wrap up. This is one way to make a consistent design. It is not the only way. It's just one tool in your designer's toolkit, so use it when it works and choose something else when it doesn't. There we go. Thanks everyone. Take care of yourself, and I will see you soon.